The need for has been around since ancient times to be used in various architectural buildings. Nowadays, it's much easier to produce all kinds of facade profiles. EPS exterior molding could provide stunning looks to a regular building with affordable costs. At the same time, they provide an insulated barrier against external factors, such as heat, sound, water and others. EPS exterior molding production starts with a computer-aided design. Computer-aided design is needed to make 3D models of the products. First step of production is big block EPS foam. CNC machines is controlled by computer. By the means of the hot wires connected to the CNC cutting machine arms, EPS block is cut with minimal waste, according to the design. Machine operator can check wire position on screen. Stone and wood panel cannot be produced by CNC hot wire cutting machine. Instead, Teflon-coated aluminum mold is needed. Mold temperature is about 180 centigrade degrees. Operator is change molds depend to panel model. On the other hand, PAC CNC router machine is used for non-curved face decorative panel. This unique decorative EPS panel make your house different than others. Arc and base machine is using for making arch profile and base for column instead of PAC CNC hot wire machine. Now machine is cutting base for special column. After cutting is finished, operator move back hot wire, and take out cutted part from block. After all cutting process, cutted part ready for coating with special coating material. Coating material is contain 15% special chemical and 85% sand. After mixing, operator is poured to the coating machine by manual valve. The cutted EPS profile driven through a metal template with same contours, to apply mortar evenly surface and sides. Then workers handle the coated profile and put shelves for drying. Drying time is about 24 hours depend to weather condition. Non-straight exterior molding, column base and pressed panel is coated by spray gun, with same coating material. Installation of moldings start with prepare of mortar by mixing cement-based adhesive with water. Then mortar is applied to the that side stick to the wall. After operator apply moldings to wall and check it by spirit level. After stick mold to wall, they leveling mold by spirit level. Corner trim is strongly recommend for natural looks. Finally, they paint to wall and exterior molding with water-based exterior house paint. That's all. Now stunning building with natural looks ready to use. For more information, please contact by WhatsApp or email.